Okay, guys, this is going to be our class for today. You're going to talk about all that we already saw about algebraic expressions and exponentiation. Okay, so here you go. There are the exercises. As you can see here are the same exercises we have for the last class. But don't worry, do not pull your head out. We are going to do this together, okay? So these ones are only for algebraic expressions, like exponentiation, and this one is from an operation you love. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind, and let me wish you good luck because, okay, you're not going to need it because I am going to do that with you. So you don't need anything at all. The only thing you're going to need is your notebook and a good attitude. You don't need anything else, okay? And maybe your calculator, maybe. Okay, remember to follow me at my social media, and bye-bye.